YouTube, your boy JJ Shock, and with another video, but this one is this one's about nature. Like I just I've been figuring out why this bird has been around my house and the whole time, and apparently I'm thinking that it made a nest. So we're gonna try to find where this nest is at. So we're gonna hide until the bird comes back, and we gonna see what it does. Just so you know, stalking is not approved. And never mind. Forget what I was doing. So we're just gonna try to find this nest. And now, yeah, it's been raining. I think it's been thunder, lightning. It was pretty bad. About 40 minutes ago. Then, like, this wood and stuff. Huh? Oh, there's a bird. Hope you saw that. Soaked. Just as I thought. Oh, there it was. Hold up. Gonna figure out where this bird be going. There it go. Looks like he's looking for food. Anyway, I'm going back. Don't see it anywhere. Wait, what the heck? No, can't be. Is it what I think it? Is it what I think it is? Oh, it's beautiful. That is a very nice bird nest. Very nice. I guess this is what concludes the reason why the bird has been coming here, since because there is a nest around here. So yeah, that's why birds singing, and there's been birds near us for like the past month because it was making a nest, and now very amazing.